5 things you should know about Pilates classes. 1. For beginners, mat lessons might be a useful introduction. Pilates comes in 2 flavors: Reformer Pilates and Mat Pilates. Pilates Reformer machines, which consist of a sliding platform with a stationary footbar, springs, and pulleys that produce resistance, or mats that are slightly thicker than your typical yoga mat, to cushion pressure points, are used in classes. 2. Pilates workouts can, but do not necessarily, require special equipment. Even while they most likely won't be used in introductory Pilates mat classes, there are a few other pieces of Pilates equipment you may want to be aware of. The Cadillac, which resembles a bed with a canopy frame and is used in various ways for advanced students, the spine corrector, the high chair, and the magic circle, a ring you frequently use between your legs to create resistance, are the most frequently used pieces of equipment. 3. Pilates and yoga are similar but distinct in a few important ways. Yoga and Pilates are frequently incorporated into one session by instructors, which may lead some people to believe that they are the same kind of exercise. While there are some similarities between them, there are also some significant differences. 4. The same set of exercises are frequently included in introductory classes. Beginner Pilates sessions typically use a standard set of Pilates exercises. They consist of: the 100 is a breathing exercise that also strengthens and stabilizes the core. The roll-up is a gradual, precise exercise that develops the abdominals while stretching the spine and rear of the body. Leg circles are an exercise that improves the stability of the hips and the core. Exercise that opens up the back and massages the spine is rolling like a ball. A series of 5 exercises that build back and abdominal muscles. 5. You may almost take a decent Pilates introduction at home. Pilates can be started virtually if you prefer to get used to a new exercise regimen in the privacy of your own home rather than in a group class with other people. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.